Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I'll be installing a set of wheel studs. These axles take a 0.685 knurl diameter stud. I had to get a set from Moser Engineering. They make great stuff. The installation is very smooth and straightforward. As you can see, I'm using a stud installation tool. You can also just use the washer method, but this tool allows the load to be balanced out a little bit more evenly over the face of the axle, while also having an internal bearing so it's not scratching or marring up the axle. Of course, using an impact gun allows you to run it down, but I will be doing the final torque setting to get the wheel studs completely seated by hand with a breaker bar. Now, when putting on the brake rotors or getting new rotors for any car, you want to make sure that you coat the facing surfaces, the back of the rotor or the face of your axle or hub, with anti-seize. And you always want to clean off the stopping surface of the disc with some brake cleaner to make sure any oils from shipping that are designed to prevent rust are eliminated and will not impact the brakes or bedding in the brake pads. The end result, as you can see, looks fantastic. We'll see you guys in the next video.